Anyways, what's good, everybody? I'm Kiki, aka Garage Next Door. This is part 2 of the bumper, AMG bumper that we're working on. We're currently putting together. So yeah, in the last video we were prepping it. We were just showing like what we're gonna be doing, all that stuff. As you can see, as you can tell, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that we were the last time we were doing it, we were prepping it. We put the fiberglass bundle all over it and everything like that. So now we're getting down to the nitty and gritty. We're sanding it. We're also doing paint soon, so be on the lookout for that. We're gonna be finishing up the sanding process. A little bit of fixing everything here and there and everything like that we gotta do and everything like that, but most importantly, we're going to be finalizing the sanding process so we can finally get onto the primer. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with and show you guys the process now. Woo! So here you have it. So yeah, this is the bumper, all sanded down and everything like that. We got this side all done. We're about to take it off the straps right here, as you can tell. Boom, 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 boom. And yeah, so we gotta get everything that's red. We gotta get this over here. We gotta get some more over there. So yeah, this is looking pretty mangled, but it gets the job done. Super smooth. We still gotta touch up a little bit right here. If you guys ain't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is red. It's right there, like right over here, or like right here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bells so you can stay up to date with the garage. And yeah, so we got this right down here. Okay, so right there. Alright, so we're gonna sand it with, where is that? I keep losing this thing. Anyways, so we're gonna get this all sanded down, and then we're gonna get over there too. So all right, let's get it. Let's go.
Purchase your tracks today. Your tracks today.
Alright guys, so we're done. We just finished sanding, as you can tell, and everything like that. So I'm super happy on the results on this. I'm so happy that it came out the way that I expected it. It came out smooth, everything like that. So we got everything all done. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just show you guys the magnificence. Like, I'm so proud of this. Like, come on, let's go. Like, look at the edges. Look at that. Look at that. Like, you guys see? Hold on. One sec. See if that will focus right there. Hold on. So you guys can probably see it a little bit. Like, look at that smoothness. Like, I am so happy. This one right here, I still gotta get that out. No biggie or anything like that. Just gotta sand it down a little bit more, I guess. And yeah, if you guys know any ways of doing this, just let me know. I'm on an 80 grit right now. I think I'm gonna go up to a 120. And yeah, but this came out perfect. Like, this is super smooth. This one came out extremely well. So yeah, like, this one came out perfect. I'm very satisfied with it. The bottom is pretty good too as well. Pretty strong. Just gotta put a little bit more on that and everything like that. But like, man, like, woo! I was gonna take this to a body shop, bro. I was gonna take this to a body shop and like pay, who knows, like whatever they would have charged for to do like work like this. Like, this probably only took me maybe a month and a half, just because like I'm busy with like a few other stuff. But like, yeah, like I had this bumper for a while, but probably since like maybe January, maybe, I don't know, can't remember. Probably a little before that, probably back in the fall. Anyways, I just got to pick up the primer and everything like that. Pick up the primer. We already got the paint. It's gonna be very you know how it goes. And so let me know, you guys. Like, let me know what primer would be best for paint, for automotive paint to stick on. So I want to go with dark paint, like black paint, just to match it. And yeah, so I want to do that. I want to make sure I don't want to say Radicam, but aerosol preferably. I don't have a spray gun, so I'm gonna be doing this all by spray. I've done it before on Janice and like with the plastic, everything like that, so I'm pretty steady. Yeah, just let me know before I pick it up, and we're gonna get the primer, and we're gonna get this bad boy painted, and we're gonna get the mesh, like the grills figured out and all that good stuff. And then after that, we're gonna be working on the back bumper. I want to shout out someone. I want to shout out the Lochness. That's my guy right there. So his Instagram will be like right here. Woo, 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 woo. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button and like this video and share if you want. So if you want to stay up to date, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, so you guys can see the results of this. So without further ado, thank you very much for watching. I'll check you guys later. Out.